Hi, welcome to Schogini Toys. Today what we are going to do is the street light that we have made earlier. The video of how we have made this street light project is already there in the description. After that, what we have done was we added a traffic signal. If you haven't seen this video of how to create a simple 3 LED based traffic signal, please watch the video that is also there in the description. For that traffic signal, we have used 3 push button switches to change the traffic signal. Like first switch was turning on red light, second switch for the yellow light, and third switch for the green light. That was a manual traffic signal which all of us can very easily make, and please check out the video. But in this project what we are going to do is we are going to automate the traffic signal. But in order to automate, we need to rely on electronics. For this, what we will do is we will use the intelligent traffic signal kit that Schogini Toys makes. This kit is available in Amazon. So this kit comes with a CPU module like this, a CPU module which has the program to operate the traffic signal. It has got a power module where you can place 3 batteries. Very easy to connect. The connection details are clearly given in a numbered fashion. So all the items required to build an automated street light is provided with the kit. So that is what we are going to do now. We will same traffic signal that we have created last time, we are going to automate it. So let's fit it back. And by the way, this kit comes with the CPU module, traffic signal post, and other accessories required, and also a very nice colorful multi-page manual that explains all the different exercises, activities that we can do. Okay, it has got a bigger traffic signal post with pedestrian signal and push switch, etc. But in this case, in this project, we will use just a 3 light traffic signal to keep it simple. This is an automated street light. So here we have the CPU module and we have the power module. The 3 LEDs that we have placed last time are connected to the CPU module as per the connection details given in the manual. Okay, so let's now power on the street light by connecting our 9-volt battery like how we have done last time. I will connect the power to the okay. So street light is powered on, but this also has an automated street light where when it is dark, street lights come on automatically. So now after that, now what we're going to do is we will operate the traffic signal. Okay, red is on. Then red and yellow comes on, then green. Okay, yes, perfect. So let's add some toy cars to make it look attractive. So this is another very attractive school project that you can easily build. But remember, this has a traffic signal only on one direction. Okay, but remember, this has traffic signal on one direction. Okay, so this traffic signal also has a very interesting feature by which just by making one connection, you can make the traffic signal in a disabled mode where yellow light will be blinking. Perfect. See you again with another project. Enjoy.
Perfect. That is it. So this is a nice and interesting project which you can easily make at home on your own. You can easily use this as a school science project or as an exhibit for school science exhibitions. And remember, all the items that I have used for this project are listed in the description. At Schogini Toys, we also make such ready-to-build DIY kits with all the parts required. They're available in Amazon and the link is there in the description. And please do share, comment and like this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Schogini Toys, for more similar fun and interesting videos for your school science projects like this. See you soon with more videos like this which all of us can do. Have fun. Take care. Bye-bye.